I have a few bathing suits that like just do not fit me. I'm home, but the tie bottoms to the blue one do fit me, so I'll keep those. But baby, hello. Hello, honeys, and happy, what's today? What's wrong with my camera? Hello? If my face looks weird, which it does, it's just because I have a face tanner on right now. I need to wash it off. But I'm currently packing right now for a little Easter break that I'm going home for, because you know Easter is this weekend, and I'm doing some like a little mini like spring clean as well. So I have a few bathing suits just do not fit me, like so sad. This Zaffa one doesn't because I loved it when I bought it, but like okay, like here's a reference. Hold on. Okay, like just based off this tube top, like you really think this is holding my tatas in? It's not. So that's unfortunate, but I also need to get rid of this really cute one, which was like the Jessica Howell or Howell whatever collab one, which I literally wore once. I'll put a picture right here. It was cute, you know, like it was cute, but it just wasn't it. This one, which is like that underwire thing, that's just not even in anymore. And then I have like a plain red bikini with like these kind of chunky bottoms that just does not fit me anymore. But the tie bottoms to the blue one do fit me, so I'll keep those. But I'm gonna have my roomies try these on after Easter break. And then we'll see if it fits them, because I don't wanna go, like have them go to waste. But yeah, basically I'm just doing some cleaning. I showered today. I'm not doing any makeup today. I'm just not in a makeup mood. And I'm watching old seasons of the Kardashians because I am a Kardashian girl. I know some people aren't about the Kardashians, but I love my Kardashians. That's just what I'm doing. And then I'm taking you guys home with me this weekend. I'm gonna vlog at home. I never ever vlog at home besides like a few little clips here and there. So I'm vlogging at home. You're gonna hang out with me, with my bestie boo Alexa, and then also you guys are gonna hang out with me and Jordan, which is my boyfriend, that him and I have finally decided that we're gonna be together more in vlogs. Like we just want to be on the YouTube now with one another. I basically kind of told him and he agreed, so that's what we're doing. And then tonight it's just me and my roommate Julia hanging out for like some movies and wine night or something. So little movie and wine night. So we'll see what's going on, and I will see you guys in a little. Okay, friends, I'm home. I didn't tell you guys that I was home yet, but it's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. I am. You know the vibe, dude. You know the vibe. I'm here with Lex. We did it. I think tonight we're gonna go to her apartment in Warrensburg. You guys don't know where it is because it's like
it's barely. It's like a yeehaw small town.
Like the
college. I'm not from there. No, hate to the yeehaw community.
Yeah, man. But right now we're just in KC or Independence, whatever. So I'll update you guys when we do that. We're probably gonna catch up with some of our friends in Warrensburg and then come back home like here in the morning. So
for a fun day.
I'll see you guys later. Gun it, gun it.
Gun it, gun it.
Hello babes. So I like never ever vlog when I'm home, but I'm vlogging Easter weekend just because you guys like don't even know what my actual house looks like when I'm home. So here she is. I am literally a grease ball right now because I'm cooking some shrimp and pasta, like a Cajun shrimp al pasta vibe. So I'll show you when it's done.
Oh my god! Wow!
Hello honeys and happy Easter. Why did I just say that like that? Happy Easter. I'm just in Starbucks line right now and I need a coffee. I woke up and drank like the rest of my what did I have? I think it was a Celsius. I think so. I had like the rest of a Celsius this morning and I'm really dragging. It is 1:49. It's Easter Sunday. I'm gonna be in town until Monday, so I'll be here till tomorrow. And then I'll be back home in my college apartment. I wanted to check in and update you guys. I should be with my boyfriend later today and then also with Alexa. So I will basically just be with them, and I am just going to run to Walgreens after this because I need lotion and I need to clean my room. I need to do some laundry to get ready to leave tomorrow. Family's not really doing anything crazy. We're just cooking, eating, you know, the usual. So hope you guys are having an happy Easter, and I will see you in my next vlog. Not my next vlog, but like next time I see you. Hello, honey buns. This is the literal worst angle I could possibly think about, but I don't want to crash my car.
Get out my car!
Driving back to school, I am such a liar, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna vlog my weekend, and I just didn't do anything. Every time I come home, I'm either like the brokest I'll be for the rest of the month, or plans get canceled. Like, I was supposed to go on a picnic Friday, that didn't happen. Me and my boyfriend were probably gonna go eat somewhere, that didn't happen, because I just ended up cooking all weekend, which is fine. Like, I feel bad when I haven't cooked for him in a while, because I'm a bomb chef, and I like to share my food with people because I'm a bomb cook. So again, worst angle possible. I'm so sorry. The skin's looking a little shiny though. I'm a little greasy today. I don't have any makeup on though. I just have sunscreen, tinted moisturizer, sunscreen stuff. So I am going to go ahead and continue on my road trip, and I will talk to you guys when I get back into Springfield. We love to see an empty gym. Oh, honey buns, I had to slow down my treadmill because I have been at it for literally like almost 2 hours. I actually had a death in the family, so I'm just releasing some sadness and just some like stress that I already have for the week, and it's literally Monday night, so I'm just having like a hard time today, but that's okay. We have those days. So I am just chilling in this empty AF gym in my apartment complex right now, and I am so sweaty. I stink, and I cannot wait to go up and shower.
Start your computations.
Good morning, babes. I'm at the gym and I'm procrastinating going in. I've been sitting here drinking my pre-workout for probably like 30 minutes. It's 8:30. I've been in this parking lot probably since 7:40. That's a problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and finally go in, and I also have to pick up my groceries from Walmart after. I didn't get a lot because I just need enough to last me till Friday. So I just got some like vegan chicken nuggets and some things to make pasta with and some fruit. So I'm gonna do that after. Once I get home, it is a grind day. I need to grind my ass off on some schoolwork. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, babes, I am about to go get coffee, and then it'll probably be the end of this vlog. But before I do that, I just wanted to give you guys an outro because I never outro my vlogs, like, ever. And I need to work on that. So I'm taking my hair out of my braid, and I am using this sea salt spray. I'm like almost out of it, and I'm kind of over it, I'm not gonna lie. Just because that brand Organics has had some controversy in the past couple months about them not really being a clean brand, but I don't know about this particular product. It doesn't have anything bad in it that I see. It's literally just water. Oh, there's a sulfate in there. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna stop using this. But one product that I am about to put on that I literally freaking love is my CeraVe Sheer Tinted Moisturizer sunscreen thing. That didn't make any sense, sorry. But I'm just taking like yay amount, I saw this on TikTok and people either love it or they hate it. It kind of just depends on your skin tone. Personally, I really like it. It does me well. It does a good job on my face. So I literally just do that. And I already have like a coat of it on already from this morning, but kind of just wanted to show you guys. And I put some castor oil on my lashes. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get some coffee. And then I probably will end the vlog here. Okay, babes, I lied. Now I'm outroing this vlog. I'm on the way to Starbucks, like I said. And what I wanted to tell you guys was that I have 2 cool videos coming up. One is going to be a Shein haul as well as an accessory haul on the side. I don't know if that's gonna come first, if I'm gonna put them together, but I have a huge order coming in from Shein. I was just super broke and needed clothes and needed bathing suits. So I'm gonna haul those items for you guys coming up within the next 2 weeks. So keep an eye out for that. And also I want to do a summer must-have video, like when it comes to beauty. So like the sunscreen I just showed you guys, other tanning products, face care, hair care, everything in between. So I want to do a video about summer must-haves. So make sure you guys are keeping a lookout for that. And I'm going to go ahead, go grab my coffee. If you guys haven't had your coffee yet today, go freaking snag it, because it is just, we need it. We need it. Stop telling yourself you don't need it. You do. I am peer pressuring you. Go get your coffee. And I will see you, honey buns, next time. I freaking love you. Be kind. Stay healthy. Stay happy. I will see you, babies, in my next video. Mwah.